Hello everyone, welcome to Morley College Chelsea Centre. My name is Lichi Saw and I am the Senior Lecturer and Course Tutor for the UAL Level 3 Extended Diploma in Fashion, Textiles and Communication. Last year, we organised our first ever fashion show called Cohesion, where we challenged students to only use a boring material, calico. The students managed to manipulate and reveal the beauty of its hidden secrets and created a successful collection. While last year the focus was on the material, this year the focus is on the colour. The collection is called One Colour, Infinite Possibilities. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's get ready to paint the college red.